Hi everyone, welcome to our in-depth exploration of the work breakdown structure, commonly known as WBS, and its pivotal role in the realm of construction project management. Today we are going to uncover how WBS isn't just a tool but a comprehensive blueprint that can drive the success of any construction project. So let's delve into the fundamentals. What exactly is a work breakdown structure, commonly known as WBS? At its core, WBS is a systematic and methodical way of deconstructing a project into smaller, more manageable segments or components. Picture it as a comprehensive tree diagram where the root symbolizes the overreaching goal of your project and each branch out from that root represent a distinct specific task or component. This visual analogy is particularly apt because, much like a tree, a project can only be strong and successful if every part, no matter how small, contributes to the whole. In the context of construction, which is an industry marked by complex and multifaceted projects, the role of WBS becomes even more critical. Construction projects often involve numerous stakeholders, a variety of resources, and a myriad of interconnected tasks. Without a well defined WBS, managing such complexity can become an insurmountable challenge. It provides a structured approach that helps in organizing tasks, defining objectives more clearly, and aligning them with the overall project goals. Moreover, WBS is not just about breaking down tasks, it's about understanding the hierarchy and interdependencies of these tasks. By mapping out these relationships, project managers can identify critical pathways, allocate resources more effectively, and anticipate potential bottlenecks. This level of detail and organization is crucial in ensuring that all aspects of the project are given due attention and managed efficiently. Additionally, WBS serves as a foundational tool for planning and scheduling. It helps in estimating cost, setting milestones, and developing a timeline for the project. By having a detailed WBS, project managers can also communicate more effectively with their teams, ensuring everyone is on the same page and understands their roles and responsibilities in the grand scheme of the project. In essence, the work breakdown structure is more than just a project management tool. It's a strategic blueprint that guides the entire construction process from conception to completion. It ensures that every task, no matter how small, is aligned with the overarching project objectives, thereby maximizing efficiency and enhancing the likelihood of project success. Now let's see some statistics. Studies reveal that a staggering 70% of all projects fail to deliver what was promised to customers. However, implementing a structured management process like WBS can significantly reduce this failure rate to 20% or below. Now, projects are 2.5 times more likely to be successful when project management practices are properly implemented. High performing organizations with established project management practices meet their original goals 2.5 times more often. Organizations that invest in proven project management practices, such as WBS, waste 28 times less money. This impressive reduction in wasted financial resources results from the successful completion of a larger proportion of their strategic initiatives. In the construction sector, the uniqueness of each project cannot be overstated, with every endeavor coming with its distinct set of challenges, requirements, and objectives. The indispensability of the work breakdown structure in this field stems from its ability to provide a meticulously clear roadmap, simplifying complex and overwhelming tasks into smaller, more achievable goals. This aspect of WBS is especially crucial in an industry characterized by its high stakes and integrate processes. The clarity and structure provided by WBS are not just beneficial, they are essential in an environment where projects often struggle to stay within budget and on schedule. In fact, a report by KPMG highlights a concerning trend. Nearly 31% of construction projects manage to remain within 10% of their original budget over the past 3 years. This statistic underscores the challenges of budget adherence in construction industry and the necessity for tools like WBS that enhance planning and cost management. Furthermore, WBS plays a pivotal role in facilitating communication and coordination among various stakeholders. In construction, a project typically involves numerous parties from architects and engineers to contractors and suppliers. A well-crafted WBS ensures that each party understands their specific roles and responsibilities, thereby reducing misunderstandings and streamlining collaboration. Additionally, WBS aids in risk management, a critical component in construction projects. By breaking down the project into smaller sections, it becomes easier to identify potential risk at each stage. This granularity allows for the implementation of targeted risk mitigation strategies, enhancing the overall resilience of the project. Moreover, with a detailed WBS, project managers can more accurately allocate resources, ensuring that each aspect of the project receives the attention and investment it needs, thereby optimizing the use of resources and minimizing waste. In summary, the work breakdown structure is not just a tool but a fundamental framework in construction project management. It enhances planning, budgeting, communication, and risk management, all of which are vital for the successful completion of construction projects. Its ability to transform complex, large-scale projects into manageable units is what makes WBS an indispensable element in the field of construction. The work breakdown structure offers a multitude of benefits in the field of construction, each contributing to the smoother and more efficient execution of projects. Here's a breakdown of these benefits. WBS allows for a more efficient and targeted allocation of resources. By breaking down the project into smaller components, managers can assign resources where they are most needed, reducing wastage and optimizing use. It aids in more accurate cost estimation. With each element of the project outlined, it's easier to foresee and allocate financial resources, leading to better budget management. WBS contributes to setting realistic and achievable timelines. By understanding the scope and complexity of each task, project managers can develop more precise schedules, reducing the likelihood of delays. A clear WBS ensures that every team member understands their specific responsibilities. This clarity reduces the risk of overlaps and gaps in roles, leading to more efficient teamwork. With everyone aware of their part in the project, collaboration among different teams and departments becomes more streamlined and effective. By dissecting the project, WBS helps in identifying potential risk at each level. Early identification means that risks can be addressed before they escalate. Once risks are identified, targeted mitigation strategies can be developed for each component, enhancing the overall resilience of the project. Breaking down the project allows for closer attention to each task, which can lead to higher quality outcomes. WBS can help standardize processes across various project components, leading to consistent quality and performance. With a detailed WBS, tracking the progress of the project becomes more straightforward. Managers can quickly identify which areas are on schedule and which are lagging. The structure provided by WBS makes it easier to implement changes and adapt plans as the project progresses based on ongoing monitoring and evaluation. WBS helps in setting clear expectation for stakeholder and clients, providing them with a transparent view of the project progress. With a well-organized breakdown, it's easier to align project objectives with client needs and expectations, leading to higher client satisfaction. In conclusion, the work breakdown structure is not just a planning tool, but a comprehensive approach that touches every aspect of a construction project. For improving planning and communication to enhancing risk management and ensuring quality. The benefits of WBS are crucial for the successful and efficient completion of construction projects. Creating an effective WBS in construction involves a methodical and detailed approach. Here's how you can develop a WBS that ensures clarity and efficiency. Begin by identifying the major stages or phases of your construction project. For instance, in a typical building project, these could include initial site work, foundation, structural work, exterior development, and interior finishing. Subdivide each high-level phases into more granular tasks. For example, under the foundation phase, which can include specific activities like excavation, setting footings, and pouring concrete, and so on. Ensure that each element of the WBS is outcome of deliverable oriented. Instead of a general task like painting, specify painting of interior walls or painting of exterior walls. This approach emphasizes the result rather than the process. Aim for a level of detail that is comprehensive enough for effective planning and management, but avoid overcomplication. Too much granularity can make the WBS unwieldy and difficult to use. While the WBS should be detailed, it also needs to allow for some flexibility. This is crucial in construction where on-site adjustments are often necessary. The WBS should guide the team but also accommodate changes and adaptations. As the project progresses, regularly review and refine the WBS. This iterative process ensures that the WBS remains relevant and aligned with the project's evolving nature. Ensure that the WBS aligns with other project management tools and methods such as critical path method analysis. This integration is key for a comprehensive project management approach. By following these steps, you can develop a WBS that serves as a clear and practical roadmap guiding your construction project towards successful completion. Remember, an effective WBS is not just a checklist of tasks, it's a strategic tool that lays the groundwork for efficient project execution and management. The construction of the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building, is a classic example of effective WBS application. The project was systematically divided into distinct segments like foundation work, the main tower construction, and the spire installation. Each of these segments was then further broken down into specific tasks such as steel reinforcement, concrete pouring, and cladding, and many more other activities. This detailed breakdown enabled precise resource allocation and meticulous process monitoring, contributing significantly to the project's success. In the Delhi Metro project, a massive urban transport initiative also leveraged the power of WBS. The project was categorized into different lines and stations, each further divided into tasks like tunneling, station construction, and track laying. This segmentation facilitated efficient management of resources and timelines across the extensive network. The construction of the Shard, one of London's most iconic skyscrapers, is another example where WBS played a pivotal role. The project was divided into key phases like foundation work, core construction, and facade installation. Each phase consisted of detailed tasks allowing for seamless coordination and execution of this complex project. Implementing a work breakdown structure in construction project management is highly beneficial but comes with its set of challenges. Understanding these challenges is crucial for effectively utilizing WBS. A key challenge is achieving the right level of detail. Too much detail can lead to information overload, making the WBS cumbersome and difficult to manage. Conversely, too little detail risks missing critical elements of the project, which can lead to oversight and project risk. Construction projects often experience changes due to various factors like design modification, unforeseen site conditions, or resource availability. A rigid WBS can hinder the ability to adapt to these changes, whereas a flexible WBS, though beneficial, can be challenging to maintain without losing the sight of the original project objectives. Efficiently allocating resources according to the WBS can be challenging. Misjudging the resource requirements for tasks can lead to bottlenecks or underutilization, impacting the project timeline and budget. Effectively integrating WBS with other project management tools like Gantt charts or CPM requires precision. Poor integration can lead to misalignment of schedules and tasks, causing confusion and delays. Communicating the WBS effectively to all stakeholders, including team members, contractors, and clients, can be challenging. Each stakeholder might have different levels of understanding and interest, requiring tailored communication strategies. As projects evolve, the WBS may need revisions. Continuously updating the WBS to reflect project changes while keeping it manageable and relevant is a significant challenge. The effectiveness of WBS largely depends on the skill level of the team implementing it. Training and ensuring all team members are adept at using the WBS can be a resource intensive task. These challenges highlight the need for a careful balanced approach in implementing WBS. Addressing these issues requires thoughtful planning, flexibility, and clear communication to ensure the WBS remains an effective tool throughout the project lifecycle. In conclusion, WBS is more than just a planning tool. It's the backbone of successful construction project management. By providing a clear structure, enhancing communication, and allowing for effective risk management, WBS lays the foundation for projects to be completed on time, within budget, and to the required quality standards. As we have seen, whether it's an iconic skyscraper or a local community center, a well executed WBS can be the difference between a project success and failure. In the dynamic world of construction, where every project presents its unique challenges, embracing the WBS approach is not just wise, it's essential. So, as you embark on your next construction project, remember a robust work breakdown structure could be your first step towards ensuring its success.